striving to build a self-operated electric furnace brand. Striving to build a self-operated electric furnace brand. Leading a healthy development of China's furnace industry. Shandong Huaxin Electric Furnace Limited Company. Shandong Huaxin Electric Furnace Limited Company. We always adhere to philosophy that science and technology create value, and honesty shapes brand. We are committed to the R&D and manufacturing of medium-frequency induction furnaces, and has built a nationwide sales and service network to achieve continuous, rapid, and healthy development. We always keep moving forward as a leading corporation. The company has now become a group casting and forging industrial equipment manufacturing and service company, integrating R&D manufacturing, sales and service of frequency induction electric furnace and supporting products. Products include induction melting furnace, induction heating furnace, medium frequency induction heating production line, closed cooling tower, dust removal equipment for electric furnace and other product lines. Our products are widely used in casting, forging, heat treatment, pattern metallurgy, and other industries. The company covers a total area of 60,000 square meters with fixed assets of 500 million yuan. It has passed the quality certification systems such as ISO 9001 and won honors of National High-Tech Enterprise, Shandong Province Advanced Energy Saving Enterprise, Shandong Province Leading Enterprises of High-End Equipment Manufacturing, Weifang Invisible Champion Enterprise, Provincial R&D Centers, and Weifang Pilot Demonstration Enterprises of Intelligent Manufacturing, and so on. The company has 350 employees, including 5 national well-known experts, 25 senior electrical engineers, and 30 engineering technicians. Firmly adhering to people-oriented and employees-benefited enterprise management tenet. The company has a complete talent training system and a good training environment, which makes our management and frontline team own strong advantages in business ability, professionalism, and vitality. We also actively explore the global market and set up sales and service branches in Russia, Uzbekistan, Indonesia, Turkey, Brazil, Peru, Mexico, South Africa, Egypt, Algeria, and so on. Science and technology create value. Since its inception, Huaxin has always adhered to independent research, development, and technological innovation. We have obtained dozens of national invention patents. Our self-developed dual-track induction melting furnace have reached advanced level in the whole industry. Meanwhile, we provide professional solutions for users who use casting product lines, and ensure the highest efficiency, lowest energy consumption and cost, and least labor. Standardization, modular production, and ensured quality. On the road of standardized production of intermediate frequency electric furnaces, we have been exploring for 5 years. Ensuring that each set of equipment is standardized and transparent from drawings, production, fittings, assembly, quality inspection, logistics, installation, test and maintenance to ensure high quality of product. Good brand comes from excellent service. Quality comes from ingenuity, being meticulous, striving for perfectness, and earning from hard working. We always follow the philosophy that science and technology create value, and honesty shapes brand. We are willing to serve the society with excellent products and become a professional manufacturer of high-quality medium-frequency equipment.